Germany was in the past, let's say, a nice place because regulation were very low, especially in the rental market, and privatization was possible. But I think most of the issue for me is not a regulatory barrier, is the fact that residential means also social and political. You are not dealing with a big MDAX company. We are dealing with people, and once the rent are going very fast, quickly, like in Berlin, for instance, politically, socially, things are coming. So I think what is interesting in the business plan is not to depend only on 10% rental uplift every year, but to have a more sustainable approach, inflation plus 2%, 3%, and this is socially and politically acceptable, and then you can manage the regulation. But of course, if you build your strategy on very quick gain, then you come political issue and regulatory issue. So I think that's the most important things. And so far in Germany, we have discussion with the government to avoid really tight rent control law. But of course, rent in some cities have gone up too quickly. So things have to change in the future.
I think there's also a chance because we saw the home ownership rate in the introduction, and I think we will see in the next 5 years a higher one, because nobody will invest in properties where I can't increase the rent properly. So the question is, people have the money to pay for proper apartment to live in, and if they are not able to rent it, then they are able to buy it, and then they will invest by their own. So I think there's also a chance in this, and we will see a structural change in the market.